In this video, we're just going to practice identifying from scenarios which type of variation we are dealing with. So in each situation below, let's name the type of variation. We're not going to go any further with writing out the equations for it. So let's take a look. The more shots you make in a basketball game, the higher your team's score will be. And so if I take a look, the number of shots that are being made, so the more shots you make, so that tells me more shots, this is increasing. The higher your score will be, and so higher the score also means increasing. So the relationship is the same. It has a direct relationship. So this is an example of direct variation. If we look at number 2, the longer Mr. Rainsberg spends grading a set of tests, the shorter the pile is that he needs to grade. So we're talking about the amount of time I'm taking to grade a set of tests. So longer, we see that means increasing. Then the test pile will become shorter. The test pile will decrease. So I see my two variables have an opposite relationship with each other. They have an inverse relationship with each other. And the last one, the formula for the area of a trapezoid. Now this is something then we have to know. And I'll go ahead and write it out for us. We have the area of a trapezoid is represented by A equals 1/2 the sum of our bases times our height. And so we take a look and we can have some common sense here to figure it out. If I were to increase the length of my bases and increase the length of the height of the trapezoid, then the area will increase as well. And so here I increased my base variables and I increased my height variable. I increased more than the one variable. I have multiple variables with a direct relationship, and so we call that a joint variation. We have area, we have our bases, and we have our height. So joint variation for this example. And so this is just a practice identifying with each problem which type of variation you're working with, whether it is going to be direct, inverse, or joint.